Hi Sikha, good morning.
Hi, good morning. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing well. What about you?
Yes, I am also doing well. Thank you for asking.
Yes, nice to listen this. So nice to see you here again on my YouTube channel because after a long time we have connected each other.
Yes, right.
Yeah. So tell me something. How are you feeling today?
Yeah, I'm feeling wonderful. It is Sunday, so it's holiday. So this is, the day I can do whatever the pending things. And also, tomorrow it will be Janmashtami festival, so we will have to prepare something about this. So we
Yeah.
are
So
doing.
tomorrow, yeah. So tomorrow you will have also holiday.
Yes, yes, sure. Tomorrow also.
Okay. So do you celebrate Janmashtami?
Yeah, yeah. Always we celebrate and not our family. Whole villagers they came at the temple and then we start celebration.
Also at my home, my sister-in-law they celebrate Janmashtami.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so would you like to tell me like how to celebrate Janmashtami because I don't know. So you can tell me.
Yeah, yeah. So this is a holy festival about Lord Sri Krishna and their birthday, you can say. So the whole day we have to prepare that we have to decorate temple, and also there is a small statue of Laddu Gopal. So you can see the
Yes.
we also have to cover them and with a shik, and because around not around exact 12 p.m. So just we have to celebrate it. So before that, every celebration, everything like some sweets, also some offers for everyone. We have to
Yes.
collect, consume temple, and some small worship also we have to do with some holistic songs that happen in the evening. And every girl and every woman, they get ready in the evening time for
Yes.
celebration. And whole day we have to decorate a temple and consume everything whatever required in festival in the worship time. But in evening time we just have to ready and sit in the temple and then start songs, and with some another people who is around you, they can involve where there is no any foundation because this is a worship. So like this, we have to celebrate this festival. And after 12, then the festival and this occasion will be end. Then you can go at home and just sleep.
Okay, so is there any temple that is near to your home?
Yeah, in front of my home there is one temple.
Oh,
This
in
is the
front of
big
your home.
temple. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So what is the name of that temple?
This is Mahakaleshwar. This is written.
Okay.
Jai Mahakaleshwar.
So how many statues? How many statue of God like available in that temple?
So Lord Shiva, and you know very well, and the Gaura Parvati Ma with along with Durga Ma, with our Bajrang Baliji, and also Nandeshwar Baba with the I think it's Ganeshwar, Sri Ganeshai, along with Kartike, with Laddu Gopal and some some Bake Bihari, their statue, and some other posters.
Okay, good. So is that temple big?
Yeah, this is a big temple.
Okay.
Around 100 people, 100, more than 100 people can sit in just
Okay.
around the temple.
Okay, so that is so big temple. So so you all go to that temple and you all sit under the temple and you all start singing song. So this is really good.
Yeah, who wants dance, they can dance like
Oh,
this.
really?
We celebrate.
Yes. So so whenever you worship to any god, so that time, how do you feel?
We feel calm, very peace, relax. Like worship. This is just like a meditation. If you are
Meditation,
doing
yes.
worship, this is just like a meditation. We feel so relaxed. Everything, every stress just got out of the mind, and we are
Yes.
feeling calmness. So that's why I prefer. Yes, I always recommend the worship. This is one thing that we always do in our daily routine. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, yeah, I can listen to you. Yeah, I think sometimes due to network problem, we can't listen easily each other. Okay, but no problem.
Oh.
Okay, so tell me something like what did you today? Because this is like morning time around 10 o'clock.
Yeah, right. So because it was holiday, so I woke up late, and then after I just freshen up, and also I took shower, and after that I took my breakfast, and now I'm talking to you. So I don't do too much work. There are some small work that I did.
So I think still you are like no, today is not today you are not fasting. Tomorrow you will be on fasting.
Yeah, tomorrow I will fast.
Okay, yeah. So now I would like to ask some questions. So are you ready?
Yeah, one.
Okay. So what is one thing you have done this year that you are proud of?
That I started my YouTube channel. So one thing that I done, I think, because something rest of this I always did, but this is something new that I started because I never think about this, but I started unexpectedly. So that's why this is very very special for me. Yeah.
Okay. And now I would like to ask my next question. What is one goal you have that you would like to complete before the end of this year?
2020. One goal. So basically, now I'm pursuing B.Ed program, so I would like to end this program in this year. Maybe I will also. I think I will do because sometime the semester will fluctuate. But I'm expecting this. Sure, I will do.
Okay, so like when you were studying at a school, so that time what was your favorite subject in middle
My
like
favorite subject.
in middle school or in high school? That time what was your favorite subject?
In
Yeah,
yeah.
also in middle school and
So
also
my
in high school.
okay. So that time my favorite subject was science and English. These two subjects was my favorite. I always
Science.
inclined with this subject.
Okay, and
Yeah,
now
science
what
and
is your favorite subject? So now what is your favorite subject? Did you change or this is similar? This is like same.
it is it is same I can say, but English, yeah, this is same. But something that I separated from them, like in science there is different parts like physics, chemistry, biology. So now I put one side that biology, and in English I started speaking. So I prefer this thing. I just separated this thing. Otherwise, the things that I liked earlier, I also like right now.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So now you can ask any question to me.
Yes, yes, sure. Uh, so first, tell me, how was your day so far?
Yes, it was fantastic and it is nice. I am feeling well because in this lovely morning, I am feeling energetic. So everything will be good. And
Okay.
I think the rest of my day is also uh, it will go like very well.
Very well. Okay. So what's your plan for the next 1 to 2 months?
For next 1 to 2 months.
Yeah. What's
Yeah,
your
there
plan?
will be nothing. Yeah, there will be nothing special plan. Just like it will be same because nowadays I am doing self study and I am teaching to my students, and just we are doing work on our YouTube channel. So this will be same. Yeah, but something will change, like our routine, because after 1 month my routine will change, and I will also change like my that time I will do a study according to my syllabus, because right now I have not started to my study. Just like I am studying like basic knowledge, sometimes about grammar, sometimes about my syllabus. Yeah, but still now I am in doubt, because I have taken admission in BA program, and I wanna be English lecturer in my life. So I am thinking that again I have to take admission in BA English honors in my state, because I have taken admission in Uttar Pradesh in your state. So
Yeah.
I am thinking that I have to take admission in Bihar.
Hmm.
So I am in
So
doubt.
are you gonna jump from BA to BA?
Yeah, so like if you are doing BA program, so yeah, and if you are doing BA English honors, so there is not too much different, but little bit different. Like in BA English honors, like if you have English honors, then English will be your like main subject, and you will be like English will be like your special subject. Okay.
Okay.
And if you are, yeah, if you are doing like BA program, so like your all subject will be same, because there will be no like more value on any particular subject. There will be no any
And
particular and a specific subject. Yeah, but in English honors, English will be your English will be your specific subject, like particular, or you can say main subject.
yeah.
So yeah, so that's why, yeah, and for becoming English literature, English professor, I
Yeah.
should choose BA English honors, because if I will study deeply, so it will help me a lot in my higher study.
So I'm thinking, are you gonna do BA plus B English honor BA? Otherwise, are you gonna just left one thing and choose one another?
Yes, I am going to leave one thing and choose one thing. Like I will choose BA English honors. Like I will do BA, but English will be like my main subject. Like English honors, honor of
Yeah,
English.
I can understand. But yeah, I was in doubt. Like, are you gonna do both or one?
No, no, no. I will not do both at the same time, because it
Yeah,
will be bad for my future.
that's why I asked.
Yeah, at the same time, just I have to complete one. Like if I
Only.
wanna, yeah, if I wanna complete BA program, so just I have to complete BA program. Otherwise, I have to complete BA English honors. Yeah, but
Yes.
if you wanna, yeah, but if you wanna complete both, but one by one, you have to complete. Like first of all, you have to complete anyone like BA program or BA English honors. After completing, after getting certificate, you can do another,
Another
but not
one.
same time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I had that idea. That's why I asked you. If you are gonna both, then that's not good for you.
Yes,
You should.
yes, yes. Okay. So ask me like any other question.
Yeah. So nowadays you are doing well, as I see your YouTube channel also. You are busy in your life, like teaching. So that's why you are too busy, and your English practice it is also going very well.
Yeah, but I
So
think I am not
how you
practicing.
are? Oh, that was my one question. Means, yeah, if you are studying in a school and all, if you are teaching in school as well as in your coaching institute, so how are you in those things? How are you doing practice? Are you
Yeah,
doing?
just Yeah, while teaching time, we can also practice with our students.
Yeah, right. That's the point.
Yes.
While teaching time.
And nowadays, I think you are also practicing with your students.
Still, is you know, still a student is not coming, so I have to wait. From 1st September, the school will be reopened for a student. Then after
Okay.
that, yeah, I will try teach them in English and also try to practice with them. But in their school, student, they are kids, so we have to teach them basic level. They are
Yeah, yeah.
kids up to fifth. Yeah, we
So no
can't.
problem. You can also speak English with your students.
Yeah, I can speak, no issue. But I also have to keep this in mind that whatever I'm speaking, the student, they are aware about this or not. If they are not
Yeah, they
aware,
are
that
understanding. Yes.
first I have to make them aware, and then
Otherwise,
I will.
otherwise they will think that ma'am is speaking English. Oh,
Yeah, and if they are not, if they are not aware that what are you saying, so for a student, they are thinking like this is a funny thing.
yeah,
Then
yeah. They
because
will
they are.
laugh. They will laugh.
Yeah, and they also lose their interest. So as a teacher, we have to make them understand also, everything like be interesting for them. So
Yes,
that's
yes.
all.
Yeah, because sometimes whenever I also speak English with my nephew and with my family members, so they also laugh too much because yeah, they speak what are you speaking? We don't understand.
Don't
Just we are
understand.
listening. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, it happened. It happened.
Once time like I was just speaking English with my parents. Okay, so my mom was saying to me, "What are you saying? I'm not understanding." And even if you are saying right or wrong, I cannot tell you because I don't know English. So that time I was laughing too much.
Why not? We can laugh, but they are saying right because once it also happened with me. I was doing my BSc program. So at the time BSc, so my medium was English. I had to write in English. So I also did many practicing that so at the time my mom, whenever she saw that I'm writing in English, so that time she also spoke like, yeah, whatever are you writing, we are not aware. Then what means, is it good bad, we can't decide. Means if it is means sometimes they made fun like, are you writing a English song that I can't understand, are you writing a subject thing that I also can't understand. Then that's up to you, because if you know English and I don't know, then whatever you are doing in front of me, I can't know.
Okay, so now there is one question in my mind about this
Okay.
question. Yeah, so like when our parents will understand we are doing right or wrong.
When they understand, uh, if you are writing, I think something that they can guess by your, if we are writing like, if we are writing something else like English song and something interesting in which we are interested too much. Okay, we are interested too much, so we are writing with a little smile and something, so they can guess. And otherwise if we are writing for our academic or subject level, so that time we are started to read and write, because also we have to keep it in mind, we also have to memorize it, so we
Okay,
just
yeah, listen.
read, write, so that time they can also aware it. So these
Yeah,
are, I think, one thing.
yeah, you are also right now. But I mean to say that, like, we are speaking English, we are learning English. Okay. So whenever we are talking with anyone, like now I'm talking with you. Okay. So now we are talking in English. So if your parents are available with you, suppose that, and if they are laughing, yeah, if they are laughing, we are talking English. So are we speaking right or wrong? So when will they realize? Because now there is no any proof. Okay, but how can they realize like we are doing good work and our work is going on the right direction? And how when can they be satisfied with us? Can you
Yeah,
tell me?
yeah. I think that's means first of all because they are parents. So if we are making any conversation, so they are not gonna laugh because that time they also aware that yeah our son and daughter is busy somewhere, so we don't try to interrupt them. And
Yes.
otherwise, if someone doing this, so after conversation you can make understand because if they don't know, then how could how can you think that they will understand? So first you have to make them understand a little bit.
Okay, but you know what? I'm not getting age. I need that type of answer. But now I'm going to tell you. Like whenever, yeah, whenever, like many people they think that like whenever we are speaking English, we are talking in English, we are writing in English. So that time they think that we are becoming over smart. Okay, we are becoming intelligent or brilliant student. Okay, so it is also right, yeah, we are becoming, but we have to show our result. Okay, so but when we will talk with a non-person and in front of your parents with in front of that person, and when he will see that result, yeah, really this person is able to communicate with any person, and he can also talk with like foreign people all around, like those people who are living in any country. So this
Yeah.
person can talk with anyone. Yeah, he can read English, he can understand English. If you are reading any newspaper, if you are reading any letter, and you are able to understand, you are able to explain that person, so then that person will think that yeah, really you are doing good work, and you are really on the right path, and you are able to understand. So your result will show to that person you are doing great. I am telling to you, when I was learning English, so that time my students and my friends, not my students, because that time I had no students, sorry, that time I had my friends. Okay, so that time my friends, they used to tell me, Anil, what are you doing? I think this will not gonna to help you. Just like everyone is learning English nowadays. Not everyone, but maximum people they are learning English. Yeah, but some of them they give up in the middle way. They don't be continue with their study. But I told to my friends, okay, no problem. But I am not that type of one. Just if I started to learn English, so just I have to learn, and I will never give up. So that time, yeah, that time, I was also studying in 12th class as well as I was learning English. So yeah, but when I completed my 12th class and I started to teach in the school, in the coaching, and nowadays whenever they see me in the school or in the coaching, so they always comment me, yeah, Anil, really, you done great work. When we were studying in the same class in the 12th class, 11th class, and that time you are also studying, you are also learning English, and now you are showing your result. So this is
Yes.
really good. Yeah.
Yeah, well said. You are definitely right. Because result always shows that who are you and what are you
Yes, and
doing.
what are you doing? Yeah, and are you doing right or wrong? Our result always indicate or so.
Indicate. Yeah, definitely you are right. Because as a as a student, your mark sheet can show. So if you are
Yeah.
a learner, you are doing something, so that time also your result like this. If you are communicating with someone else, so yeah, definitely it will also a good things to know in the next person. Okay. Yeah, so do you have any
Okay.
more questions?
No, I have no any more questions. So I think now this is really great and lovely conversation with you. After a long time, we connected each other, and I hope we will talk some other time. So nice to talk with you, Sikha. I'm so glad to meet you.
Another time. Same
So
here.
bye.
Okay.
Bye. Have a
Okay.
nice day.